Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine today. I, Shweta Srivastava, your maths teacher from Vidya Valbhavan Senior Secondary School, is going to teach you an important topic, and our today's topic is addition and subtraction of time. So basically we have to add and subtract like the previous classes we have done. We have to do a simple addition and subtraction here, but with the minute changes. Let us start our topic. Suppose we have an question: add 4 hours 50 minutes and 35 seconds and 2 hours 20 minutes and 40 seconds. So basically we have to add both this number, but before that what you have to do? You have to write it in separate rows. Do it in a stepwise. Let us start. What we will do? We will write first hour, then we will write minutes, and then we will write seconds, and after this we will put the values of hours, minutes and seconds in the rows. How many hours are there? 4, right. How many minutes are there? It is actually 50. And how many seconds are there? It is 35. So we have written it in a row wise. What about the next number? That is 2 hours 20 minutes and 40 seconds. Now we will add this both the quantities. After adding, what we will get here? 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7. And 4 plus 2, 6. But can you suggest me that is it the right answer or not? Have you seen 75 seconds anywhere? Does minute have 75 seconds also? No, minute doesn't have. The limit is up to 60 seconds only. That 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. It can goes up to 60 seconds. So basically what we will do here? We will split this 75 seconds into 60 seconds plus, can we write like this? 60 seconds plus whatever remains after 60. We will do like this, 75 minus 60. 15 seconds remains here, so it will be 15 seconds. So it is actually the combination of 60 seconds plus 15 seconds. Can we convert this 60 seconds into 1 minute? Yes, as we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So I will write here 1 minute plus 15 seconds. So it is actually this. Now we will carry forward this minute to the minute place. It will go here and it will be added here. So it will become 71, and the number which remains here, it will be 15 seconds. So there are 1 minute is carry forward here. But again, can you see here it is 71 minutes? And have you seen anywhere that there are 71 minutes in any hour? No. 1 hour contains maximum 60 minutes. So it will be again a combination of 60 plus 71 minus 60. So it will be 11. So it will be the combination of 60 minutes plus 11 minutes. Yes or no, students? You get this? Yes. So can I convert this into 1 hour? As we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Yes or no? Yes. So can I take this carry forward in hour region? Because hour will come in hour area only. So it will be carried forward. So 6 plus 1. Here it will become 7. And here it will remain 11. So can I write this 11 minutes? 16 seconds and 7 hours. Yes, students. So what will be my final answer? Can you guess it? My final answer will be 7 hours, 11 minutes and 15 seconds. What will be my final answer? My final answer will be 7 hours, 11 minutes and 15 seconds. I will repeat this answer again. Listen to me very carefully. Beta, we have to add this and this. For adding this, what we will do here? We will write the hour, minutes and seconds quantity separately. Like there are 4 hours, there are 50 minutes, there are 35 seconds. Likewise, there are 2 hours, there are 20 minutes and there are 40 seconds. After doing the addition, we will get this. But we cannot write 75 seconds, we cannot write 70 minutes. What we will do here, we will split it into 60 seconds plus 15 seconds. Why we have written here 60? So that we can convert it easily to the minutes and it will be carried forward in the minute area. So after doing it, 75 can be written as 60 plus 15. Yes, so this 60 seconds will be converted into 1 minute, as we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So I can write here 1 minute. This 1 minute will be carried forward to this area and 15 seconds will be written as it is. After this, after carrying forward 70 plus 1, it will become 71. But we do not see any 71 minutes. So we will again split it into 60 minutes plus 11 minutes. Saying 60 plus 11 is 71. So this will be, again it will be converted. Since we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes can be written as 1 hour here. And this 1 hour will be carried forward here. So it will be 6 plus 1 equals to 7 hours. So my final answer will be 7 hours, 11 minutes and 15 seconds. That's how you will mention your final answer and will get the answer. Okay, beta? Let us do one more question. We have add 2 hours 25 minutes, 15 seconds and 3 hours 50 minutes 8 seconds. There are 3 numbers here. One is this, second is this and third is this. We have to add and the procedure will be same. We have to write the separate rows of it like hours row, minute row and seconds row. And whatever number is not available, we will write there 0 for the easy calculation. Let us start numbers. Hour consists of 2 hours. Here it is 25. Is there any seconds here? No, second is a different quantity there. It is not a single number here. It is a separate number. So, we will put here 0 and 0. And here it is only 15 seconds. This is a different number. So, there is 0 and there is also 0. Now, what we will do here? Third one is 3 hours, 50 minutes and 8 seconds. So, we will add this all number. How to add this? Again we can do this. 0 plus 5 plus 8, that will be 13. 1 plus 0 plus 1, that will be 2. Try to solve by yourself, students. You can pause the video, try to solve by yourself and then verify your answer. Now 5 plus 0 plus 0, it will be 5. 2 plus 5 equals to 7 and 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now you can see anything unusual here? Yes. Can you see this 75 minutes? Is there any possible minute that is in 75 minutes? No. It can be split into 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. Yes or no? Yes. 16 minutes plus 15 minutes and this can be converted into 1 hour. Which will be carried forward in our area. So it will be, final answer will be 23 seconds. It will be 15 minutes remains here. It will be 15 minutes and this one is carried forward. So it will become 6. So my final answer will be 6 hours, 15 minutes and 23 seconds. So my final answer will be 6 hours, 15 minutes and 23 seconds. Like this, we will do the addition. First do the normal addition and then if the number is unusual, it is beyond 60 in seconds and minutes, we will be splitting this like this. It will be 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. This 60 minutes can be converted into 1 hour since 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? Yes, 60 minutes. So it will be converted into 60 minutes and this minute it will be carry forward here. This r will carry forward here plus 1. So it will become 6 hours 15 minutes and 23 seconds. Try to solve the other questions also so that you will get the clarity of the topic. Okay students? Let us do the subtraction part also. How to subtract? We have already seen the addition. Now how to subtract the quantity? Let us see that. Let us do one question. Our question is subtract 3 years 11 months. Subtract 3 years 11 months from 8 years and 10 months. So what we will do here, which will is the bigger quantity? This 8 year 10 months is a bigger quantity and this 3 year 11 months is the smaller quantity. So we will subtract the bigger quantity, the smaller quantity from the bigger quantity. We will again do the same thing. We will make the column separate, year and months. There are only 2 units. So we will make the rows of 2 units. That will be 8 years 10 months, 3 years 11 months. And we will subtract this. But tell me one thing. Can we do this 10 minus 11? No, we can't do this. So we will take the carry forward. But we are carry forwarding from the years. And 1 year is equals to how many months? Tell me. Yes, 1 year is equals to 12 months. So how many months will we carry forward here? 1 or 12? Yes, 12 months will be carried forward. 1 year will come here and it will be converted into 12 months. So 12 months will be carried forward here, not 1 month. Try to see this very carefully. It is 12 months. So 12 plus 10. So actually it becomes 22 months. So here it will become 22. 22 minus 11 will be 11 months only. And 1 year we have already carried forward. So it will become 7 minus 3, 4. So my final answer will be 4 years and 11 months. Do you got this point students? Let me clear you this again. Since we have to subtract 3 years 11 months from 8 years and 10 months, I have written separately years and months. After writing these years 8 and 10, 3 and 11, the main point comes here. Like 10 cannot be minus from 11. So we have to carry forward like we are doing in the previous classes also. If the number is smaller, we are carrying forward. But there is a way of doing the carry forward. You cannot take 1 as a carry forward because you are taking carry forward from the year side. And 1 year is equals to 12 months. So you are actually carrying forward from the 12 month, not from the 1 year. So 12 months will be carried forward here and this 10 plus 12 will become 22. So my final carry forward will become 22 months. And 22 minus 11 will become 11 only. So it will become 11 months. And this it will be reduced to 1 since 1 is carried forward. So it will become 7 minus 3, 4 years. So my final answer will be 4 years, 11 months. Do you got this point? Very good. Let us do one story sum. Our question says, what does the question say? Let us see. A tourist bus takes 4 hours 50 minutes to reach Agra from Delhi. It always happens when you go from somewhere like from Agra, since here it is written Agra from Delhi. So you took some distance or it takes some time also. So that time is 4 hours and 50 minutes to reach Agra from Delhi. However, on 3rd March, the person who is travelling there or the bus who is travelling there, it broke down on the way and took 1 hour 30 minutes longer. what was the duration of the journey on 3rd March. What they are saying to us, like suppose a bus is traveling on, for example, it is traveling on some highway and it usually takes 4 hours and 50 minutes to cover the distance from Agra to Delhi. But unfortunately on that day it broke down. The bus broke down. So it took much longer for the repairing work, and the distance and the time becomes longer. Instead of traveling from 4 hours 50 minutes, it took more 1 hour and 30 minutes. So what they are saying, what is the total time taken by the bus during that journey? So how to find the total time taken? Can you guess it? Yes, what we will do here? We will do the addition to find the total time taken by the bus. And how to add this? First of all, write the statements. Usual time taken by bus. What was the usual time taken by bus? It is 4 hours, 50 minutes and time taken longer. What was the time taken on that day longer? 1 hour and 40 minutes. So we have to find the total time taken by bus. Total time taken by bus. How to find total time taken by bus? It will be addition of this both. How to add this? We will do the similar addition here. Like we have done in the previous question also, we will make a separate column and write the numbers. Like in hours it is 4, then it is 50, again it is 1 and then it is 30. So we will add this quantity 0, 8, 5. Can you see something unusual there? That is 80 minutes. Have you seen anywhere that where is 80 minutes considered as? So it will be 80 minutes will be splitted into, how it will be splitted, bacha? It will be 60 plus 20. So 60 plus 20 can become 80? Yes. And 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So it will become 6 hours and 20 minutes. So what will be my, after the addition, what will be my final answer? 6 hours and 20 minutes. We will do the usual addition that we have done in the previous question also. So total time, we will write the final statement. Do not forget to write the final statement. So the total time taken by the bus, total time taken by the bus, total time taken by the bus is 6 hours and 20 minutes. What is the final answer, beta? 6 hours and 20 minutes longer. Instead of traveling to 4 hours 50 minutes, it takes a longer time of 6 hours and 20 minutes because of the breakdown that occurs in between the traveling. Okay, so our final answer will be 6 hours and 20 minutes. Let us see one more example. Our next example is Mr. Kapoor was in Delhi for 3 years 5 months. Mr. Kapoor is a person who was in Delhi. He has gone for some work, for example. So he was in Delhi for 3 years and 5 months. He was in Chennai for 1 year 11 months. But in Chennai he was for how many time duration? That is 1 hour and 11 months. How much longer was Mr. Kapoor in Delhi? So they are asking us how much longer time Mr. Kapoor is in Delhi. Means what is the time difference? We have to find the time difference, that how much longer time Mr. Kapoor has taken in Delhi compared to Chennai. Because you can see here it is in 1 year and 11 months time, and this is 3 years and 5 months time. So which one is the more time duration? Of course the 3 year will be more time duration. So we have to see that Mr. Kapoor spent how much more time in Delhi than in Chennai. To find that, we have to find the difference. And how to find the difference? We will do the subtraction here. First of all, write the statement as it is asked. Time duration in Delhi. What is the time duration in Delhi, students? In Delhi, he took 3 years and 5 months. So how much time time he has taken 3 years and 5 months. Time duration in Chennai is 1 year and 11 months. How much is the time duration? 1 year and 11 months. So, difference in time duration will be, what we will do here? We will do the subtraction. How to do the subtraction there? It is again, we will make separate rows of years and months. 3 years, 5 months, 1 year, 11 months. And as you can see already in subtraction, how we have done in subtraction also. Can this 5 be subtracted with 11? No, it can't be subtracted, beta. So what we will do here? We will take the carry forward. But the condition of carry forward, we have already seen that when we take 1 year as a carry forward, does 1 will come here? No, 1 year includes 12 months. This should be in equal units. So that carry forward will be actually of 12 months, not 1 year. Because 1 year equals to 12 months. So it will be 12 plus 5, that is 17. So actually we have to do 17 minus 11. It will be 6. 2 minus 1, it will be 1. So my final answer, what will be the final answer? 1 year and 6 months. What will be my final answer? 1 year and 6 months. And we have to write the final conclusion also. So, Mr. Kapoor has taken 1 year, 6 months, longer time in Delhi than in Chennai. Yes, longer time. So this is the time gap. He has taken 1 year and 6 months more time in Delhi. Got this point, bacha? So what we will do here? We will do the subtraction. Okay, beta? Let us do one more question. Our question is, Meena is 10 years 3 months old and Shahid is 8 years 7 months old. How much younger is Shahid? Suppose both Meena and Shahid are brother and sister, and Meena's age is 10 years and 3 months old and Shahid's age is 8 years and 7 months old. Then they are asking how much younger is Shahid. Shahid Meena से कितनी छोटी है? Like you have seen in your homes also, you are comparing your age with your brother and sister. Like how much younger is your brother or sister? How much older is your brother or sister? Same we will do here. We will compare both age and tell us कि शाहिद मीना से कितना छोटा है. How to find that? We will find that by doing the subtraction. Yes. How to compare someone's, like who is much bigger, who is much smaller? We will compare it by doing the difference between the both age. Let us start our answer. Age of Meena. What is the age of Meena, beta? Age of Meena is 10 years and 3 months. And what is the age of Shahid? Age of Shahid is 8 years and 7 months. And what is the age difference or the difference in age? Difference in age is, what we will do, how to find the difference? We will subtract. We will subtract the Shahid's age from Meena's age, that is 10 years and it is 8 years and 7 months. How to subtract that? We have already seen. We will do the similar thing here. What we will do here? Make these separate columns. Very good. How to make it? 10, 3 and it will be 8 and 7. So how to subtract it? Again, there is a confusion of one thing else. How can we do this? 3 minus 7. Can we do this? No, we can't do this. We will again take the carry forward here. And 1 year is carrying forward to month area. So it will become 12 months is carrying forward actually. So 12 plus 3 will be 15 and 15 minus 7 is 8 and here it becomes 9 and 9 minus 1, 8 is 1. So my final answer will be 1 year and 8 months. What will be my final answer? 1 year and 8 months. So Shahid is actually 1 year, 8 months younger than Meena. So we will write the final statement. So Shahid is 1 year, 8 months younger than Meena. When we have to find the total age, we do the addition. When we have to find the difference between the age, or we have to find who is shorter, who is bigger, or who is younger, who is older. In that case, we do the difference. How to find the difference? By doing the simple subtraction that we have done earlier. So you should know how to subtract it. Okay, beta? So in today's class, what we have learned? In today's class, we have done the addition of time, subtraction of time and some story sums of time. I hope you all have learned that and you have understood it in a very good way. But for that understanding, you have to practice it in your home. Practice the questions for sure so that the concept will be clear with you. Okay, beta? Thanks for watching the video. We will see you soon. Bye.